Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a message for the store or restaurant on the Wolt Delivery application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the discovery, restaurants or stores options down below and select the product. Then you should add it to your cart, tap on view order, and here you have the add a message for the store option at the top of the page, so you can indicate your special requests, allergies, dietary restrictions. So tap on this message button and note your message, so type it into this bar in the middle of the screen. When you are done, click on the done button in the upper right corner of the screen, and then you should proceed to checkout. Tap on this button down below and then you can finalize the process of ordering the product. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.